It's a beautiful morning in the neighborhood. Just lovely.
Another wonderful morning. What's up, guys? So today on Raw Roots Unknown, my name is Amanda. For those of you who don't know, we got some shenanigans in play. Today the furnace from the basement has to come up at least a 4 foot to get up onto the driveway. So there's some plans and ideas being thrown around on how we're going to do that. It's not a light piece of equipment by any means. How it was even put in there and installed is beyond me. But when it goes from the basement way up to the driveway, it's on like a ramp of dirt. So then it's like a cement wall up, straight up. So we're gonna see what we can do about that today. In the meantime, Joe is going to be helping me out. So that is from Root Unknown. Make sure to check her out if you haven't already. And I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Awesome. Loving it. And so I'm just going to sit here in my dining room, drink my tea out of my grandma mugs. Hit it up in the comments if you remember these. Or if your grandma's even had these. And yeah, contemplate the disaster ahead. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a humdinger. So I will see you right after I'm done my tea.
Look, guys, I've got one chicken on the run. Look at her. Escape artist all the time. This is about the third time this morning. Let's go see. Let's see if we can get her wrangled up. She's a little sketchy. Always is. So she's gonna dart. Look at her. She's pretending like she doesn't see me. She clearly does. That's why she's running. She's running. You get back here, missus. Get going. No, you're not going in the pricker bushes. Come on. Stay away from the raspberry bushes. They ain't got nothing on them this time of year. All right, come on. You watch yourself. Yes, that's the door. I gotta open it up for you. Oh, come on. Come on. There, run away. In through the pricker bushes. 18 more of them trying to come along. You're not coming out. Not. Good morning, Nuggets. Good morning, Nuggets and Nuggets. Hello, mister. You're looking very pretty this morning. Look at you. Your hair be looking fly. Hello, ladies. Got your faces on just right? We gotta rally up your sister. Hi, Arrow. What you doing back there, bubbers? That is our lovely rabbit. Yes. All right, let's go see if we can rally up the sister. She has been captured and all is well. Mission complete. So I just want to show you an angle from inside the basement of what this furnace looks like right now. Danger all the way. Living life on the wild side of things right now. So that's the ATV jack. That is the furnace on the dolly. You can see the wheels right there. And we've got a tow strap tucked around it this way with ratchet straps. Wave hi, Joe. That's Joe from Root Unknown. So we've got some shenanigans going on here right now. But I just wanted to give you an angle of how high that's got to come up to get up on the driveway where Joe's at. So as you can see, there's about a 4-foot drop from my driveway to down in my basement way. And this is our old furnace. It weighs a ton. So anyways, as you can see, we have it ratchet strapped to the dolly. And then another ratchet strap leading to the buggy. and it still wasn't enough to hold me in place. It kept pulling me back towards the basement way. So then we ratchet strapped the buggy to the truck to keep it in place so I could get off without having, because if I turned off the buggy, it would just start pulling everything back down into the basement way, including the buggy. So this is what we have concocted here. Some real hillbilly stuff. It's lovely. And so we'll keep you posted with an update. Right now we're looking for more tow straps because we just ran out of ratchet straps and there's a big confluffle here. I'm on the hunt for a tow strap in the upstairs of this hot mess of a barn. I've got everything and anything. Okay. Where would you be? See, we've been doing some work to our other buildings, so this stuff had to come out of there and be thrown into this one for now. But I am not seeing the tow strap. Okay, well, downstairs it is. Break my neck on these stairs. Oh, I found it. Look, there it is. Gold. Yes, sir. All right, now I gotta get back there. Oh, God. I'm gonna break my neck. That's just the trailer. Okay. Oh, someday my life will be organized and well. Okay. Off we go to the madness. See you when I get up there. So here's with the new ratchet strap and tow strap. Yep. Still working on this. We're getting ready to see if we can pull it out. As you can see behind me, we're going to try to pull out this furnace using the buggy. So fingers crossed. Let's hope it works. Safety first. All right.
I know what's going on. The rod to the dolly is jammed. Like it's.
Like you mean that piece of the furnace?
No. This here rod.
Yeah. Yep.
It's jammed. So it doesn't have a nice, easy glide. See what I'm saying?
Yes. So can we shine that puppy out with some baby oil?
I filled her up first.
Oh yeah, it's like the strap is making it stiffer. Sweet Mother and Mary.
I'll go back down, see if I can reposition my jack.
Okay. Epic fail. Okay, take two. 127.
Put your helmet on.
I am.
I really should have one too.
You really should have a full body bubble suit.
Yeah.
Because if that lets go, you're fucked.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Come on, go in.
trailer. Go you! Woohoo! Well, a little more Jimmy rigging. I think we might have her out. Then the next struggle is getting it on the back of the truck. So, Joe is tightening the ratchet straps.
and pulling the buggy towards me.
Yeah, that's minimal. We've added some sandbags for weight to the back of the buggy. And I think we're gonna try this again. Let's see what we can do here.
Just a second.
Yeah. Don't forget to smash that like button. This is some intense stuff here. We do intense stuff like this on a regular basis, so you won't be disappointed, I'm sure of it. The faces you're making are priceless. That's some serious concentration going on right there.
I'll go back down.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it off so I can hear you. Yeah. The chickens have been getting out all day. Driving me nuts.
Can you try and push us back on the dolly? It's somehow sliding off.
Alright.
Hang on.
Okay.
Can you come over here?
Sure.
Wrap that back around. Save yourself a whole lot of hassle. Okay?
What?
Take this hook.
Okay.
Wrap it around something, anything.
Good.
Make sure it's on there good. This is what's holding fast to the dog. Well, we can all loosen it.
Instead of wrapping it around, let's just attach it to this.
Okay. Just make sure your ratchet's out here.
Okay, so like that.
Okay, now ratchet.
Okay. How do you operate this now? I get you now, Scooby Snacks. Lord jeez, I need a whole other shoulder for this. Okay, that's so I leave it open? Okay. Let's see.
Here, I'm gonna give her a little push out.
Okay, do you want some? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Just
Can you pull it that way a bit? There you go.
who needs a buggy when we've got you? You've done more. Joe's done more than the ratchet straps, the buggy that's ratchet strapped to the Ford did all in one. Oh, fantastic.
I can't leave it here though.
Well, no.
We gotta give her a little pull.
So I'll see what we
Can
can
the
do.
buggy pull it now?
Well, that's questionable. Let's not go getting high expectations, though. All right. Let's see. Ooh, sorry for the wobble. Okay. Put her up in neutral. There we go. Well, there goes the basement labor. Fix one problem to fix another. Nice. Okay. Some minor casualties. That's nothing. It's fine. Well, it goes the whole way down. Holy hell! Look at that. All in a day's work.
mask only.
Yeah.
And it rips off the door. I could have done it. I would have ripped off the door.
Well, the good thing is, hey, look, we're some lucky because it started to rip this off.
Rip what?
This top.
Oh, that's minor.
Minor.
That's fine.
Well,
Alright, so we got ourselves some shenanigans in the driveway now.
yeah. So now how do you propose we put this on the truck?
Yeah.
It's achievable, right?
Yeah, with a few jacks maybe. A couple more me.
Well, I mean, your arms are stronger than the jacks, clearly. We had ATV jacks, motor vehicle jacks, a buggy with 4 ratchet straps and a tow strap, and then strapped to the Ford. And Joe's the one to push it up out through the doorway. And I'm just the one to tear the basement door off with the furnace.
Okay. We're on our wheels. Back on our wheels anyway.
Yeah,
That's the main thing.
absolutely.
That means it's moving.
So where do you want me to move a bullet to?
I don't know if you can. We'll figure it out.
Alright guys, well, until we figure out the next plan of attack, you're just gonna have to catch it in the next clip. So you're just gonna wheel it down on the dolly?
Yep.
Okay.
That's the plan.
Alright. So Joe, tell us, how does this make you feel? You exhausted yet?
Nope.
No?
Just trying to not run over my feet and the legs.
That's a good goal. Can't go wrong with those kind of goals. That ratchet strap is being, well, rebellious today, for lack of better terms. So the goal is take her up the ramps, into the burn, and use the chain block to hoist it up. And if all goes well, then it'll be a good day. But I'm hopeful, as always.
This might be a bad idea. I don't know. We'll find out.
You never know if it's a bad idea until you try.
Here she be.
In all her glory.
I didn't think we were gonna get this far.
I didn't think we were going to get this far either. It was looking pretty grim there. And we made several attempts to get it out of the basement way. Alright, so we're going to back the truck in. Joe and I are going to try to get it onto the truck. We got the mother-in-law and her dog creeping out off to the side. Alright, here we go. Yeah, you're good. Come straight back. And hope for the best. Woo! Pull ahead. There you go.
You got her now.
I don't know if your mirror's gonna pass it, but we'll see.
I think you're okay.
Who needs side mirrors anyways? Just an accessory. Woo-wee! If we could get it back a little further, maybe we could swing it. Swing the bottom in.
Yeah, just be so goddamn careful.
Oh, I know.
Want to back her in a little more?
Back around a little more.
Ever so gently.
Oh, so gently. That's my new microphone.
Just be careful here now.
You be careful too.
Okay.
We were both at
Move over.
Major danger.
the hands of the devil right here.
Major danger.
I'm not sure if I trust your mom. Stop there.
Whoa.
Okay. Too far?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Just stay there though.
Wait. Say,
What if we?
hey, see what I'm thinking?
What?
Do
No.
you see what I'm thinking? Look, if she goes ahead a little bit, comes back, the truck, you should be able to like
Swing it up
swing
on.
it up on it.
Okay, just go ahead of smushy. That's how I measure things. Smushies. Okay, right there. Now let's just test it first. What if I? Hold on. What if I stand on here? Create some
Yeah. I know what
some
you're
weight to
thinking.
lower it down because I don't remember my leaf springs being this good shape.
It's longer.
I've had about enough here to let. Meanwhile, she's done the majority of the work. So I'll let her go there.
Yeah, she's more than four-wheeler.
What do you think?
Oh, you got it.
Okay, Ma, come back just a little at a time.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, just a little.
Little Mom! Easy!
Sorry.
Trying to run your daughter over?
Yeah, a little bit.
Little more.
Alright.
All right, right there is fine.
Hold her. Yeah, buddy!
Nice. Yeah, let me off you here before you got me through the window. All right, take her out.
Ready?
As ready as we're gonna be. So the furnace is on the back of the truck, thanks to Joe. Mainly because the muscles is what it took. Not the engine power, but the muscles. A little bit of elbow grease, in the furnace. It had caught fire and we just decided to go with wood heat and had a wood stove installed. And this way we don't have to worry about pipes freezing or breaking or anything like that. The furnace was well past its due date anyways, so it made more sense. All right, so we're moving the deep freeze. I'm gonna set you guys up so I can help Joe out here. Let's see.
No. See how I got that? I was wondering if I could have, you know what I mean?
We'll just put it on the truck. Let me get my fingers in there. Lovely. That's fabulous. Now here we go, like a herd of turtles. Look at how blue the water is today. Looking fabulous. Real smart. Real smart. I know no one in there needs their septic plumbed. But lordy, don't need to back out in front of me. My septic almost got plumbed just by him backing out.